Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and access the trim command. Over here, click on the trim icon from the toolbar or type trim into the command line and press enter. After that, the trim command will activate and you can choose between quick mode and standard mode. For quick mode, select the objects you want to trim individually. Over here, press and drag to create a freehand selection path around the objects you want to trim. After that, you can also create a crossing fence by selecting two empty locations. Then AutoCAD will automatically use the selected objects as cutting edges. Over here, if any selected object cannot be trimmed, it will be deleted automatically. After that, switch to standard mode if you need more control over trimming. Then select the boundary objects first. Over here, press enter after selecting the boundaries. After that, select the specific objects you want to trim. Then, if you want to use all objects as boundaries, press enter at the initial select objects prompt. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.